everyone in the US has got one number, one social security number. That number is what you use everywhere you go, in the bank, if you are renting a house, if you are seeking services, and that's what you're doing. The thinking behind Huduma card and Huduma number is precisely that we have one number. Instead of you carrying an ID card, an NHIF card, a passport, a voter's card, all manner of cards, so that everywhere you go, you actually need almost a basket to carry cards before you go somewhere. So we said, besides, we have the data. If you go to the National Registration Bureau, your kitambulisho data is there. If you go to the Registrar of Births and Deaths, your data is there. What we are doing as government is to bring all those data sets together and integrate them so that they are in one place. With that one number, wherever you go, if you go to hospital, that is the only thing you need to have, that card only. It has your NHIF information. You will not need to go and renew your driver's licenses. That one card alone, you will renew your driver's licenses in any Huduma center across the country. Surely, who doesn't want to go that way? Unataka kubeba kadi kila mahali? We makaratasi everywhere, some of them getting lost. Yet with that one card, if you are sick, you go to hospital in Nakuru, they just take that one card, that one number. Once they key in that number, they'll get your details. They will see where you attended to a doctor last time, you were given this medicine and so on, then they proceed. You are registered in NHIF and so on and so forth, then they proceed. Sasa, ile vita sasa tunapigwa hapa na Joe, ni kama ile vita ya digital migration tena. Tumeenda kotini hapo, High Court has ruled against us. And as I said last time, trust me, as long as the president keeps me in this assignment, tutapelekana mpaka Supreme Court.